Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list? Struggling to keep track of projects and tasks? So you're not alone. Many people turn to project management tools to help them stay organized and efficient. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Today, we're going to compare two popular tools, Asana and Trello. Imagine you're a project manager leading a team of developers on a complex software project. You need a tool that can help you assign tasks, track progress, and communicate effectively with your team. But which tool is the best fit for your needs? Asana, a deeper dive. Let's start with Asana. Asana is known for its powerful features and flexibility. It's a great choice for teams of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. Key features: workspaces and projects. Asana allows you to create workspaces for different teams or departments, and within those workspaces, you can create projects to organize specific tasks. Tasks and subtasks. You can break down large projects into smaller, more manageable tasks and subtasks. Assignees and due dates. Assign tasks to specific team members and set due dates to keep everyone on track. Custom fields. Create custom fields to track additional information about your tasks, such as priority, status, or budget. Timeline view. Visualize your project timeline to see how tasks fit together and identify potential bottlenecks. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks using rules and workflows. Strengths. Powerful features. Asana offers a wide range of features to help you manage complex projects. Customization. You can customize Asana to fit your team's specific needs. Integration. Asana integrates with many other popular tools, such as Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom. Trello, a simplified approach. Now let's take a look at Trello. Trello is a simpler tool that's easy to learn and use. It's a good option for teams that don't need a lot of bells and whistles. Key features: boards and lists. Trello uses a visual board format with lists and cards. Cards represent individual tasks or projects. Labels and due dates. Add labels and due dates to cards to organize and prioritize your work. Attachments and comments. Attach files and leave comments on cards for collaboration. Power UPS. Add additional features to Trello using Power UPS, such as calendar views, voting, and integrations. Strengths. Simple and intuitive. Trello is easy to learn and use, even for non-technical users. Visual interface. The board format makes it easy to see the big picture and track progress. Flexibility. Trello can be used for a variety of project types, from personal tasks to team projects. Comparing Asana and Trello. Now that we've explored the key features of Asana and Trello, let's compare them head-to-head. Complexity. Asana is more complex than Trello, with a wider range of features. Trello is simpler and easier to use. Customization. Asana offers more customization options than Trello. Collaboration. Both tools offer good collaboration features, but Asana may be better suited for larger teams with more complex projects. Pricing. Trello is generally more affordable than Asana, especially for small teams. Choosing the right tool. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you need a powerful tool with a lot of features, Asana may be a good choice. If you prefer a simpler tool that's easy to learn and use, Trello may be a better fit. Additional considerations. Team size. If you have a large team, Asana may be better suited for managing complex projects. Project type. Consider the type of projects you'll be working on. Some projects may require more advanced features than others. Budget. Asana is generally more expensive than Trello, so consider your budget when making your decision. Ultimately, the best way to choose between Asana and Trello is to try them both out and see which one works best for you and your team. Both tools are excellent options for project management, and the right choice will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Have you tried Asana or Trello? Which tool do you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.